Hello, welcome back to the channel. This channel, I'm usually talking about financial, technology, and cryptocurrency. But today I want to talk about something else, different, something that is affecting me and millions, hundreds of millions of Americans. I'm talking about the coronavirus, the COVID virus, specifically the Omicron strain. I myself is contracted the coronavirus, and I was tested positive on Christmas Day this year, actually last year. And today is January the 16th, and I'm still sound a little scratchy. I'm still coughing, but I don't know if I'm still sick. And I cannot find a facilities where I can go and check to see if I'm still positive. And the reason why I'm talking about this is that President Biden announced in December last year that he is sending out 500 millions free home kit for the coronavirus to Americans, to anyone who wants it. And this past Friday, the White House announced that they will be adding an additional 500 millions home tests for the coronavirus to anyone in the U.S. That's an additional to the 50 millions free tests that's sent out to different facilities around the countries, and to have to 20,000 free test sites around the country. Even with 20,000 free test sites, there is not one single place that I can find where I can book an appointment to find out if I'm still positive or not. And I live in the Atlanta area. Starting this coming Wednesday, December the 19th, you can go online and go to Covidtests.gov and order some home test kit and it will be shipped to your house in about 7 to 12 days. That is the latest information I have right now. I read somewhere that I think you can order 4 per household. I could be wrong on that. The information could have changed by now. But anyway, this coming Wednesday on December the 19th, go online, Covidtests.gov, and order some COVID test kit that mailed to your house, so you can have it at home, so you can test yourself to see if you're positive or not. All right? I just want to make a quick video on this, and I'll catch you on another video soon. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time.